Co-living is a way to associate with other people while sharing a space that can cost little to a tenant. Co-living can help current housing issues by helping people with few amounts of money to be able to share a space with others while being able to afford it. Sometimes your roommate can become your new best friend. Sometimes roommates could steal your stuff or mistreat them, which could easily upset others. I have created a co-living warehouse that is for families. It has 5 floors in total, and each of them pursues a unique and different purpose for the public and the tenants. I'm planning to put some windows, and on my floor plans there are solar panels on the top, and then I needed to also add some wind blades on the top for also energy just in case it's at night. I have chosen a warehouse because I generally think it is a more better and safer structure. I created my design with special and different features because I want the tenants to have a variety of options to enjoy. I think I could have made it better by having more functions for the public and to have a more intricate and attracting exterior.